Welcome to jlifable people. So today I'm not going to be cooking. Today I'm going to be doing a little review of grilled chicken. So I've got this chicken right here. That's a full chicken from Springfield shopping parade. There's a little store, street store outside the Food World supermarket, which is right next to A1 supermarket and Chaudhry's, and it's a knockout. So this is a full chicken. It's a grilled chicken. Here I am buying a grilled chicken from a brother in Food Express. Food World, Sparkhill.
You need potato?
No, brother. No, I'm on a diet. Protein. So buying a chicken from a brother. Yeah. So brother, how many days you here? Every day?
Every day.
From what time?
12 o'clock. Between 12:30 and 12:1 chicken ready.
Yeah. Till what time?
Close between 7
7, 8. And how much is one chicken?
5 pounds.
So it's £5 a chicken. So thank you very much, brother.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Yeah, so it's been marinated. So the marination, there isn't a lot on there. So there's I think it's a simple, some salt, some black pepper and some other 1 or 2 spices, but other than that there isn't much on there. Yeah, so let's start with the wing. So the wing is soft. I have tried this before last, so it's not the first time. I think it's been well cooked, but one thing I would say, it's a bit salty. So it's got more salt than I normally would have, but it seems like. So that's the wing. Let's try the meat. So we're gonna try thigh and the leg. So now that's quite tender. So you see, quite juicy as well, which I expect for drumstick. And then the actual thigh, again, the meat just comes off. So see, the meat just comes off. So that was the thigh. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna dig in and see, when I rip it, it just comes off. Everything just comes off. So it's been really well done. So let's try now. We're gonna try the breast. Again, I mean, with the breast, the meat is soft, is as juicy as the thigh or the others, but still it's not really. It's gonna be quite, see, it just comes off. So it's very well done, quite tender as well. But I'm gonna dip in a bit of sauce. Yeah, that's nice. So overall, I think it's really nice. It's really good, and for the fibre, you can't go wrong. You really can't go wrong. So I'd say try it, especially if you're on a diet like myself, seafood diet. Yeah, try it and let me know in the comments as well how it goes. Yeah, so make sure you tune into the channel, and I'll be back with another recipe or another review. So see you next time. And if you still haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe to the channel.